Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Replit project to GitHub so you can easily back up your code and collaborate. So first, navigate to replit.com and log in using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll have to click on the apps icon and choose any of the apps you're working on. Now, you'll have to click on this all tools icon just right here and search for Git as a workspace feature. Now, this will take you to this page where you will see a small settings icon at the top right. Now, click on the settings icon just in this tab or panel and you will see these options. Now, you'll have to click on Connect to GitHub option. After you do this, you'll have to just enter your email address or password. So, after you log in using your GitHub credentials, you will see this page. Here, you can easily install and authorize on your personal account for all these repositories. So if you'll have different repositories, it will show just right here. You can choose among that or choose all repositories. Now click on install and authorize. And as you can see, now I've got Replit connected to GitHub. You can also choose an existing repository or create a new one to link with your Replit project. After that, you can use the Git pane to stage and commit your changes with meaningful messages. Click push to send your code to GitHub. From now on, whenever you make changes in Replit, you can commit and push directly to keep your GitHub repository up to date. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Replit project to GitHub. This will help you keep your code safe, collaborate with others, and track your changes easily. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.